In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink Zoom from Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're looking to switch to a different video conferencing tool or simply tidy up your integrations, I'll help you get it done swiftly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Acuity Scheduling account. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, take a look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your scheduling settings. What we're interested in today is the integration section, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the integrations area, you'll see a list of all the different services and apps that can connect to your Acuity account. These integrations are designed to enhance your scheduling capabilities, but sometimes you might need to modify them, like in this case. Scroll through the list until you spot Zoom. Once you've found Zoom among your connected integrations, you'll notice a button labeled Edit right next to the Zoom icon. Click on this button. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust the settings specific to your Zoom integration. On this new page, you'll see an option to disconnect or remove integration. This is the key step in unlinking Zoom from Acuity Scheduling. By clicking this button, you're effectively severing the connection between the two platforms. Don't worry, this action won't affect any of your previous appointments or data on Zoom. It merely stops future automatic connections. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked Zoom from your Acuity Scheduling account. Remember, if you ever decide to reconnect them in the future, you can always go back to the integration section and set it up again. For those of you who might prefer other conferencing tools, Acuity offers a wide range of integrations to suit different needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy scheduling.